Today there's like um, rainy clouds. Most probably it's going to rain tonight. This is why I love nature. Every day I come here, it's always different. It's never the same. And see how peaceful this beach is. And this is peak tourist season. So there are tourists here and there surfing, swimming, just relaxing. I went to Hirikatia beach the other day and Valigama side. Oh my god, beaches are packed. There's more, like you can see that white building far away, right? So the beach is stretching up to that point, and all these huts are seafood places. There are loads of hotels, beach facing. All these are hotels.